This is the Marvel Legends Iron Man Mark 85 and Battle Damage Thanos from Avengers Endgame. The long wait is over dahil finally nabili ko na ang mga figures na to after so many years of toy hunting. Sa front ng box, makikita nyo yung dalawang figure which is si Iron Man at si Thanos na may mga alternative heads, alternative hands, may mga accessories din sila. Sa likod ng box, nothing much except for the Avengers Endgame poster. And this wave is from the Marvel Legends Infinity Saga toy line. Unahin na muna natin si Tony Stark or Iron Man, and I can say napakalinis ng figure na to. Yung figure na ginamit dito kay Iron Man is a repainted version from the first Mark 85 Iron Man suit from Fat Thor, and mamaya i-check natin yan. And this is a closer look of Tony Stark or Iron Man, and I can say napakaganda ng repainted version ng kanyang suit dito. One of the things na favorite ko sa figure na to ay yung kanyang head na obviously sobrang linis, sobrang detalyado, at talagang kuwang-kuwa niya yung resemblance ni Robert Downey Jr. If I'm not mistaken, this is the second or the third time na gumawa sila ng alternative head ni RDJ. Meron din siyang alternative head, and this time it's battle damage. Makikita mo na gusgusin na yung mukha niya, marami ng sugat, scars, and merong blood stain na rin. Yung kanyang lips medyo naka-open wide na rin, which is good kasi kuha niya pa rin yung resemblance ni RDJ. And eto naman si Iron Man with his helmet. And talagang lutang na lutang dito yung gold color or yung gold paint dito ni Iron Man. And a side-by-side comparison from two Iron Man Mark 85 suits from Marvel Legends. This is from the 2-pack with Thanos, and this one is from Fat Thor Wave. In my opinion, this Iron Man figure is way better than this figure. If I'm not mistaken, this is the 5th version of Thanos na nilabas ng Marvel Legends. This version of Thanos, suot na rin niya yung nano gauntlet. Yung head ni Thanos dito, ang ganda rin ng mga details. And even those wrinkles, hindi lang siya basta paint, kung hindi meron din siyang texture. Dito sa kanyang noo and dito sa kanyang chin, talagang meron siyang texture. And yung facial expression dito ni Thanos, yung kanyang famous smirk. Yung isang alternative head ni Thanos, series mode naman siya dito with same details and texture. The other one is the battle damage, or ito na yung moment na mag-turn into ash na si Thanos. And yung last alternative head ni Thanos is kung saan suot niya pa yung helmet, which is part ng kanyang armor. Dito galit na siya, and makikita nyo na yung kanyang teeth, yung kanyang eyes medyo nag-iba na rin ng details. Actually, isa sa mga comments ko dito kay Thanos, sana ginawa ng Hasbro, is natatanggal nila yung helmet ni Thanos. Pero hindi, dinikit na lang nila, sinama na nila mismo doon sa sculpt. And of course, meron din siyang nag-iisang weapon, yung double blade ni Thanos na ginamit niya sa Avengers Endgame. Makapal din siya, hindi siya basta-basta nabibend. Unlike nga doon sa mga naunang weapons or accessories na ginamit ng Hasbro. And meron din siyang mga tiny details like this. Well, I guess dapat naglabas pa sila ng isang weapon na kung saan putol na yung isang side ng weapon ni Thanos. Just my opinion.